Welcome, this is your boy Mr. X. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you guys can make up to $500 a day and make up to $15,000 a month just uploading free documents, and you will start making money. Make sure you guys must subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon, and let's start this video.
So right now you guys can see I am in similar web right now, and today I'm gonna show you one website. In that website we're gonna promote our affiliate offer, and we are start getting a lot of sales very easily. And before I'm gonna show you website, I'm gonna show you the statistics of that website. You guys can see that website is getting like almost 95 million visits every single month. I'm going to show you website in a second, but if you scroll down and you guys can see the last 3 months, this website gets like, in November this website gets almost 140 million visits, December this website gets almost 111 million visits, and January this website gets almost 95 million visits. On an average, almost this website is getting 100 million visits every single month. And if you scroll down, you guys can see the top countries. So number 1 is United States, then Mexico, Indonesia, Brazil, India, and other. So again, you guys can also get a high quality traffic from United States. Like a lot of people go to this website from United States, and I'm going to show you website in a second, but you guys can see there this website is getting like millions, hundreds of millions of views every single month. So let's go to this website, and this website is called Scribd.com. So what this website does, this website is uploading ebooks, audiobooks, magazines, podcast, sheet music, documents, snapshots. So this website is uploading a lot of stuff. And one thing, this is a subscription based website. A lot of people came to this website Scribd.com and buy subscription for reading ebooks, audiobooks, magazine, listen podcast. These millions of people pay like subscription fee for reading and or listen audios, podcast, and reading magazines. Okay, but we are not gonna buy any kind of subscriptions because we are creators, we are not a customer. Okay, so in this way we did not pay any kind of subscription. And these all, you guys can see, ebooks and audiobooks, this did not uploaded by this website. This ebooks and audiobooks uploaded by creators like us. Okay, so in this way we are also gonna create our ebook in this website. So first of all, I'm gonna give you a small example and overview of this website. So for example, this is a search. I'm gonna type crypto. So simply type cryptocurrency, and right now I'm gonna show you the potential of this website. So you can see right now like books, like 71,000 books are uploaded, and a lot of people are reading a lot of books. And you guys can see also the reviews, people are giving them a lot of reviews. If you scroll down, that you guys can see audiobooks, documents. This is like ebooks, like 38,000 ebooks are uploaded on this cryptocurrency keyword. And scroll down, these are all podcasts, more than 5,000 podcasts uploaded in this website. These are snapshots. So you see that a lot of people are uploading a lot of stuff. So for example, I'm gonna type YouTube. So simply click enter and let's see. Okay, so you guys can see, scroll down, and like more than 95,000 books are uploaded. You guys can see 11,000 audiobooks are uploaded. Scroll down, 2.2 million documents are uploaded on this YouTube keyword, like 148 podcasts are uploaded. So a lot of people are uploading a lot of stuff in YouTube niche, and I'm gonna go with the really specific, narrow down this YouTube keyword. So I'm gonna simply type make money YouTube, and let's see what happened. So you see that I just simply narrow down this keyword to make money YouTube, and now you guys can see like only 10 audiobooks uploaded, 21 books uploaded. Scroll down, like a lot of people are uploading ebooks, like 182 ebooks are uploaded, and articles, a few 4,000 articles, and few podcasts are also uploaded on YouTube. So for example, how we gonna start making money with this website? To start making money with this website, first of all, we go to Digistore24, and I'm gonna show you how you guys can make money. So first of all, simply go to the marketplace and select a product, which product we're gonna promote with that offer, with that website, sorry. and scroll down. For example, I'm gonna promote this YouTube product, and for example 50% commission on front end $997 product. So this is a $1,000 product. If we promote this product, we get like $500 in every single sale. In here they did not show you $500. I don't know why, but this is a $1,000 product. I know about this product. This gives you like 50% commission on every single sale. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna promote this offer. Simply click promote, get your affiliate link, and save in your notepad. So once you save your affiliate link in your notepad, so what is our next step? Next step is we go to this website. Is called idplr.com. so in this website you guys can get a lot of like everything free, completely free, but you guys just simply sign up your account here, completely free account. So once you create your completely free account, so I'm going to show you what we're going to do. For example, simply click search and I'm going to type make money YouTube. You guys just simply put your keyword and simply click enter. And right now you guys can see like 59 results found. So all these ebooks are YouTube related ebooks. You guys can see, scroll down, like YouTube authority, YouTube internet marketing, like keyword research ninja, YouTube celebrity advice, YouTube celebrity. You guys can select any kind of ebook, like YouTube cash. You guys can see market on YouTube, YouTube sharp profit reloaded. So for example, this is an ebook I like. Simply open this in the new tab and let's see. And this is an ebook right now. You guys simply click download. So I'm going to simply download it. I'm going to download in a second. So once you download it, then I'm going to show you what we're going to do next. But scroll down and you guys can use this ebook everywhere. You guys can sell this ebook. You guys can use for personal use, like you guys can do anything with this ebook. And you guys can see our ebook is start downloading. It will take few seconds. Once your ebook is downloaded, what you guys can do, then we just simply go, once your ebook is downloaded in your PC, so our next step is we just simply go to this website. It's called sajda.com, and in here we just simply upload our ebook. So right now you guys can see our ebook is open in sajda.com, and in here we're gonna edit few things in this ebook, but this ebook is ready to go. You guys just simply scroll down in the first page. Once the content is starting, for example this one, what you guys can do, simply click this, and we just simply click this, and we just simply add our call to action in every single page of this ebook. Simply I'm gonna add my call to action. Simply copy this, and I'm gonna short this size of this text, and 20s looks good. And right now I'm gonna add my affiliate link in this call to action. So now we're gonna add our affiliate link in this call to action. You guys can see links. Simply click this and copy this call to action like this, and in here you guys just simply add your affiliate link and simply click enter, and your affiliate link is done. And then you guys just simply click text, Ctrl+A to copy whole, Ctrl+C to copy this, and scroll down, and you guys just simply copy this same call to action in every single page of this ebook. Simply copy and paste and add your like call to action in every single page, and make sure simply click links and make sure add your affiliate link in all these call to actions. Simply copy and simply Ctrl+V and paste your affiliate link and simply click enter. So give me a second, I'm just simply add call to action on all these pages. So this is a last call to action. Simply Ctrl+V and I just simply add my last call to action with my affiliate link. So once you add your all call to actions, so this is the last page. So what you guys can do, simply click apply changes. So once it's ready, you guys just simply click download. So once it's downloaded, you guys simply go back to this Scribd.com, and in here we just simply upload our document or ebook in this website. So you guys simply click upload and simply upload your document. I'm gonna upload in a second. So right now you guys can see our ebook takes few seconds, then it will be uploaded here. So right now you guys can see our PDF or ebook is uploaded successfully, and I just simply add a title, very simple and basic, make 10 $1,000 per month with YouTube sharp profit related. And this is my small description. Once your ebook is uploaded successfully, you guys just simply click done. So right now you guys can see our ebook is uploaded successfully in this website, and right now you guys can also share this link on social media. For example, in Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, everywhere you guys can share this link and people can easily download your ebook, and a lot of people can also read your ebook in this Scribd.com. And simply click your uploads, and in here you guys can see all your reads statistics. Like few statistics, you guys can only see the reads, how many people open your ebook and read your ebook in this website. You guys can see from here, like your upload, if you upload more ebooks in this website, you guys can see all the ebooks and PDFs in this area, like Scribd.com/uploads in your profile. Okay, so in here you guys can literally see how many people read your ebooks. Okay, so in this way you guys can easily get more than $500 every single day. But
so with this method you guys can make up to $500 a day, because you need only one sale to generate $500, right? So $500 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 30 days is equal to $15,000 a month you guys generated just uploading free documents, means free PDFs you're uploading, and you're making money. But the main thing is you guys must be consistent with this method for at least 2 weeks, and make sure you guys must upload PDFs every single day, and you will start generating sales. And before we're gonna stop this video and end this video, you guys, I suggest you guys must watch this video.